To save power, the watch will be defaulted ship mode. Please press and hold S1 S3 together for 4 seconds to activate the watch.
In the normal chime mode, press S1 repeatedly true, switch the displays among. Press S1 twice will be in historical steps. Short press the button S for true, activate the L Blacklight for 5 seconds. Will allow you to toggle between steps and chime display. Hold SE for 5 seconds. Will initiate chime clearing process, and all the data will be reset. In the normal chime mode, press S3 once will be in stopwatch mode. Press S1 to start or stop. Press S2 to reset to 0. In the normal time mode, press S3 twice will be in countdown mode. Press S1 to start or stop. Press S2 to reset to 0. Hold S for 2 seconds into countdown length setting. Press S1 or S2 to set the value. Short press S3 repeatedly to choose the item. Short press S for once to exit the setting. In the normal chime mode, press S3 3 times, will be in alarm mode. Press S1 to set on or off the alarm function. Hold S for 2 seconds into alarm chime setting. Press S1 or S2 to set the value. Press S3 to choose hour or minute. Short press S for once to exit the setting. In the normal chime mode, press S3 for chimes, will be in hourly chime mode. Press S1 to set on or off the hourly chime function. In the normal chime mode, press and hold S for 2 seconds to enter setting. Now the 12:24 H starts blinking. Press S1 to set the value. In the normal chime mode, hold S to enter chime setting. Press S3 choose the term that you want to set in sequence. While the term is flashing, press S1 or S2 to change the value. Length unit setting. Weight setting. Height setting.